Hello, Gemini. This will be your general reading for today or for the next 24 to 48 hours. Okay, energy does linger. Don't forget to like this video. Let me know down in the comment section below if any of this is resonating for you guys at this time. Subscribe to my channel. I'd highly appreciate it. And stay uplifted with my Herbal Infused Self-care products. For more information about my products, follow me on Instagram at Uplifted by Lanna. I've also provided my Etsy link down below in the description box as well. Spirit guides, ancestors, God himself, I ask for protection for myself, those who come across this video at any point in time, and protection within my sacred space as I channel through these energies. Thank you, I thank you, Spirit. Okay, Geminian, let's see what this energy is looking like for you guys at this time. Spirit, give me thank you. All right, so you guys are pulling the Fool. All right, so I feel like today or in the next couple of days, all right, I was going to say in the next couple of hours. So whenever you're seeing this video, okay, I feel like in the next couple of hours, you're able to let something go or someone go. Okay, so you've detached, all right, or you're starting something new or you're starting over within a situation. What else? Thank you. All right, you guys are pulling the Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, this could be about work. Okay, so you're starting a small business or it's this person. And then you guys have the Four of Cups with the Two of Cups. All right. What else? You guys are pulling the Ace of Wands. Yeah, so new magic, okay, or a new manifestation technique is at play. All right, bottom of the deck, you guys have the Three of Pentacles. Yeah, so this could be about work or something that you're building. All right, so in the next couple of days, I feel like you guys could be experiencing a lot of rejection. All right, or maybe you are being spoiled. All right, somebody wants to come towards you and spoil you. Okay, bottom of the deck, the Star. Somebody here could be on the cusp. Okay, I'm hearing Taurus, Gemini, cusp. Okay, I'm hearing too, something takes time, all right? Or maybe you need to continue to wait for something or someone, right? Okay. I feel like too, you're doing something first thing in the morning, Gemini, all right? I'm getting 4 days straight, first thing in the morning. Are you smoking? Okay, the Fool and the Queen of Pentacles. Why is this here? Thank you. You guys are pulling the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, yeah, so starting something new. All right, I feel like, too, you're going to see something solidify, all right? Then you guys have the Seven of Swords with the Seven of Pentacles and the Nine of Pentacles, okay? Bottom of the deck, the Seven of Cups. So 777, that could be significant, okay? So, yeah, this is like a warning. I feel like, too, you're protected. Okay, or something is protecting you within a situation, okay? I feel like, too, something is past related. Okay. Yeah, somebody's very, very sneaky, very clever. Somebody knows how to get what they want within a situation. I feel like, too, you're very self-efficient. Maybe you're doing something alone, okay? But there's growth. I feel like, too, you're manifesting a lot in the next couple of days. Queen of Pentacles, Four of Cups. Okay, so I feel like you're trying to make something last. You guys are pulling the Death card. You could be dealing with a Scorpio. Okay, I'm getting to something about a vehicle situation. Take what resonates. And then you guys are pulling the Eight of Wands. Yeah. So communication. So expect something to end or expect something to change or transform in a major way. All right, so my AC just clicked. That's confirmation. You're coming from the Full card, Queen of Pentacles, down to the Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, how did you do that? Okay. Two more. I feel like, too, somebody could be lying to you. You could be dealing with a Scorpio or this is you. All right. So, yeah, the Two of Pentacles. Yeah. So something is meant to throw you off of your game here in the next couple of days. Or I see you kind of transferring money. I'm hearing, too, two streams of income. That could be significant. Okay. I'm getting, too, maybe you're losing feeling in your hands. Okay. Bottom of the deck, the Magician. Yeah. What else? You guys are pulling the Two of Wands. Yeah, so good choice. I like this energy. You're coming from the Two of Pentacles to the Two of Wands. Yeah, so you've completed a major cycle here in your life. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, so divine intervention, divine timing, all right, is at play. Your timing is impeccable as well. Okay, I'm hearing to be on time. Four of Cups, Ace of Wands. Why is this here? Okay, so you guys are pulling the Hanged Man with the Chariot. Okay. Okay, so a situation is about to turn on its head if it hasn't already with the Hanged Man. Okay, you could be dealing with a Pisces, a Cancerian, okay, or you have this in your chart, but you're coming from the Four of Cups to the Hanged Man. So I see you in the next couple of days getting up and looking at a situation from a different perspective. So you're changing your point of view. Okay, I feel like once you do this, you will be able to start something new, okay, or something comes in just in time, or it's this person. Okay, take what resonates. Spirit, give me two. Thank you. Yeah, so your hard work is paying off. I believe I said this in your last reading, Gemini, and then you guys are pulling the Nine of Cups. Yeah, so like I said too before, somebody's very clever. Somebody knows exactly how to get their way. You guys are pulling the Nine of Pentacles with the Nine of Cups, so you do figure something out. Okay, I feel like too, whatever you've lost here in the past, you're getting right back times 10. All right, then you guys are pulling the Empress. Yeah, and you look good doing so. All right, so there's growth within a situation. Now, something may need to be watered, or because you're watering something, this could be certain aspects here in your life. This is why something is coming through for you guys as well in the next couple of days. Okay, you guys are pulling the Six of Pentacles with the Ace of Cups. Yeah. All right, so continue to water your garden, tend to your garden. Yeah, the Three of Cups. Yeah, I feel like you have something to celebrate about at the end of the day. So congratulations, Gemini. So we're going to go ahead and pull from the Kipper deck. Let's see what Spirit wants to let you guys know from there. I just heard too, Gemini, you always figure it out. Okay. But the Six of Pentacles is my mini justice card. So something is a part of your justice. All right. Or something will balance itself out. Spirit, give me three. Thank you. You guys are pulling despair. Yeah. Okay, with change. Yeah, so expect something to change or shift here in your favor. This could be about a vehicle situation as well. And then you guys are pulling false person. Yeah, be mindful. You guys did pull the Seven of Swords. All right, so somebody is not who they say they are, or this is you, okay? I feel like too, somebody could be keeping a lot to themselves, all right, with false person. It does remind me of the High Priestess card from Tarot. All right, so maybe this is you. Maybe you know a lot, but you're not sharing a lot, all right? Or it's this person, okay? Somebody here could be 32 years old. 32 reduces down to the number 5, so changes. All right, so out with the old, in with the new, changes, yeah. Bottom of the deck, house. All right, so this could be about some type of stability, a home situation, a building. Take what resonates. I'm hearing too, larger than life. Something is larger than life. Okay, yeah, I'm getting a twitch. That's confirmation. So we're going to go ahead and pull from the Moonology deck. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'd highly appreciate it. Okay, Spirit, give me three. You guys are pulling prosperity lies ahead. Yeah, so don't stop what you're doing, okay? Could be dealing with a Taurus, and then you guys have you and your loved ones are safe, okay? Yeah, so the new moon could be significant for you guys at this time. Like I said too before, something is hidden with this false person energy. Okay, so maybe you are making moves in silence, or this is what you need to do. Maybe you need to keep something to yourself. I do see somebody kind of sharing something with you, okay? What else? You guys are pulling emotions are running high. All right, so some of you guys could be feeling very emotional in the next couple of days. All right, or it's this person, and then you guys have hold your vision. Yeah, okay. So like I said too before, maybe you need to wait. Okay, be patient. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pull a few from the Illuminator's Amulet deck. Spirit, give me 3. Thank you. Okay. So you guys are pulling, it's an enigma. Yeah, so something is very mysterious or very puzzling. Okay. Or this is somebody who you're involved with. Somebody's coming off very mysterious. And then you guys have reflect further for the outcome. Definitely could be dealing with a Capricorn. Okay, I believe they pulled that card as well. What else? Then you guys have trust you already know. Yeah, so listen to your intuition. Like I said too before, this false person energy reminds me of the high priestess, okay? So she knows a lot, she just doesn't say much. All right, so in the next couple of days, you need to listen to your intuition, okay? This reading could just be a confirmation, and then you guys have by all means, yes, all right? So something goes through, something gets approved, okay? But you're very enlightened here in the next couple of days, all right? We're going to go ahead and pull a couple from the Metaphysical Oracle deck. I feel like, too, you're one step closer to completion. You guys are pulling the Ace of Cups with the Nine of Cups, okay? With the Two of Wands. So, yeah, I feel like, too, you predicted something, or it's this person. Okay. I'm hearing, too, karmic debt. Take what resonates. Spirit, give me 2. You guys are pulling creation solo magic. Yeah, so like I said, too, before, maybe you're having to do something alone, okay? And that's okay. Okay, some of you guys may need to drink water. What else? Thank you. You guys are pulling let go. Yeah, so I'm hearing to let go, let God, or whoever you pray to. All right, you guys did pull the Three of Cups at the bottom of the deck. All right, so yeah, like I said too before, you have something to celebrate about at the end of the day. All right, bottom of the deck, wizard balance. Yeah, something will balance itself out, okay? Or you will be receiving justice here within a situation. All right, so let's see what somebody would like to tell you that they haven't already, or vice versa. Okay, you guys are pulling divine intervention. Yeah, so divine intervention, divine timing. Okay. I'm hearing too, something is meant to happen. So surrender. And then you guys are pulling one night stand. Okay. I'm hearing all I need is one night. All right, what else? You guys are pulling yes. Yeah, so something is a yes, something is a go, something is yours. Claim it. I am seeing that. Something gets approved, something goes through. Okay, what else? You guys are pulling, you know me so well. Yeah, so somebody may want to come through and let you know that you know them so well, or vice versa. Okay, yeah, that's that Six of Pentacles energy. Bottom of the deck, you guys are pulling stable connection. All right, so I'm hearing too, it's meant to be. Right. So this was your general reading for today, Gemini. Don't forget to like this video. Let me know down in the comment section below if any of this is resonating for you guys at this time. Subscribe to my channel, I'd highly appreciate it. And stay uplifted with my Herbal Infused Self-care products. For more information about my products, follow me on Instagram at Uplifted by Lanna. I've also provided my Etsy link down below in the description box as well. Okay. So stay uplifted, stay grounded, stay safe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next reading. Bye, Geminian.